Imagine a future battlefield, not of soldiers and tanks, but of silent, swift drones. Autonomous machines powered by advanced artificial intelligence, making life or death decisions in the blink of an eye. This isn't science fiction. It's a rapidly approaching reality, a paradigm shift in warfare that raises profound ethical dilemmas. How do we assign accountability when a machine makes a mistake? What are the unintended consequences of removing human judgment from the equation? As military strategist, P.W. Singer notes, we are ceding decisions of life and death to machines. This documentary will explore the mind-blowing advancements in military drone technology and the complex moral questions they pose. Current military drones, while impressive, but they're largely remotely controlled. But the integration of artificial intelligence is changing the troll, but changing the game. AI enhances autonomy, allowing drones to navigate complex environments, identify targets with greater precision, and even react to unforeseen circumstances. Consider the advancements in facial recognition and object detection. AI allows drones to sift through vast amounts of data, pinpointing specific individuals or vehicles with remarkable accuracy. This enhanced precision, while minimizing collateral damage, also raises concerns in the potential for privacy and the passive last proficient, their bath of precision, and the presential for use. Real-world examples, such as the use of AI powered drones in surveillance operations, demonstrate both the potential benefits and the inherent risks. The ethical considerations surrounding AI-driven warfare are paramount. As drones gain more autonomy, the lines of accountability blur. Who is responsible when a drone malfunctions or makes an incorrect decision? The debate over killer robots, fully autonomous weapon systems, is intensifying, with many experts calling for international regulations to prevent their development and deployment. One of the most transformative developments in drone technology is the concept of drone swarms. Imagine hundreds, even thousands, of drones acting as a single coordinated unit, inspired by the behavior of flocks of birds or schools of fish. These swarms can overwhelm enemy defenses, conduct large-scale surveillance operations, or launch coordinated attacks. The tactical advantages of drone swarms are undeniable. They can saturate enemy defenses, making them virtually impenetrable. They can cover vast areas, providing unparalleled situational awareness, and they will adapt to changeable battlefield for addition with weapon of lateral worth, with remarkable speed and flexibility. However, the potential for autonomous swarms also raises serious concerns. How do we ensure that these swarms operate within ethical boundaries? What safeguards can be put in place to prevent them from escalating conflicts beyond human control? The development of swarm tactics is rapidly advancing, with nations investing heavily in this technology. The implications for future conflicts are profound. The capabilities developed for military drones are increasingly finding applications in civilian life. Drones are now being used in search and rescue missions, providing aerial support to first responders in disaster zones. They are inspecting critical infrastructure, such as bridges and pipelines, by identifying potential problems before they lead to catastrophic failures. In agriculture, drones are used for imaging farming, monitoring crop health and optimizing exacerbable health and optimizing irrigation. The potential for drones to address humanitarian challenges is immense. They can deliver medical supplies to remote areas, monitor deforestation, and track wildlife populations. However, the expanding use of drones in civilian life also raises regulatory and safety concerns. How do we ensure that drones are operated safely and responsibly? What regulations are needed to protect privacy use and prevent misuse? The debate over drone regulations is ongoing, with governments grappling with the challenge of balancing innovation with public safety. The rapid advancements in drone technology are fueling a global arms race. Nations are vying for dominance in this field, investing heavily in research and development. Key players in the drone market include the United States, China, Boundarial, and Turkey, each pushing the boundaries of drone capabilities. The potential for drone technology to be used in cyber warfare and information warfare is also a growing concern. Drones can be equipped with sophisticated sensors and communication systems, allowing them to gather intelligence, disrupt enemy networks, and spread disinformation. The importance of international cooperation to regulate and prevent the misuse of drones cannot be overstated. Without clear guidelines and safeguards, the proliferation of drone technology could lead to a dangerous escalation of conflicts. The future of warfare is unlikely to be solely about autonomous machines. Instead, it will likely involve a sophisticated collaboration between humans and drones. The evolving role of humans in drone operations is shifting from remote control to human-machine teaming. The development of user-friendly interfaces and intuitive control systems is crucial for effective human-drone collaboration. Imagine a soldier wearing an augmented reality headset, seamlessly controlling a swarm of drones with simple gestures. This type of collaboration could enhance human capabilities, improving battlefield effectiveness, and minimizing risks to human soldiers. The potential for drone technology to revolutionize warfare is undeniable, but it is essential that we proceed with caution, ensuring that these powerful tools are used responsibly and ethically. The future of drone warfare is not a distant prospect. It's already taking shape. From the battlefields of Ukraine to ongoing conflicts around the world, drones they are playing an increasingly prominent role. The lessons learned from these conflicts are shaping the development of the next generation of drones, faster, stealthier, and more capable than ever before. The ethical dilemmas surrounding drone warfare are becoming more urgent. As technology advances, we must grapple with the complex moral questions it raises. And a future of warfare is being written to ensure that it is a human values guided by guided and human values and ver communist adventure that an ethicals. The rise of military drones presents both unprecedented opportunities and profound challenges. We must embrace innovation, but we must also prioritize ethical considerations and responsible development. International cooperation, robust regulations, and a commitment to human values are essential to navigating this new era of warfare. A future of warfare is not predetermined, and it is our future we are creating. It is our responsibility to shape it wise, and to follow responsibility as last in the eyes of /precision.